Friends, have you ever stopped to wonder about the incredible power of plants? They are not just the beautiful decoration in our environment, they are the unsung heroes that keep our planet alive. And at the heart of their superpower lies a process called photosynthesis. So, in this video, we are going to discuss the whole process of photosynthesis in detail. Photosynthesis is the magical process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of glucose, a type of sugar. It all starts in the chloroplast, the tiny green structure found in the plant cells. Within these chloroplast is a pigment called chlorophyll, which gives plant their green color. When sunlight falls on a plant leaves, chlorophyll molecules absorb the light energy. This energy is used to power the chemical reactions that derive the photosynthesis. At the same time, plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air through the small pores called stomata on their leaves. They also absorb water from the soil through their roots. In the chloroplast, water molecules split into hydrogen and oxygen atoms through the process called photolysis. This releases oxygen into the air as a byproduct. The hydrogen atoms are then combined with carbon dioxide molecules to form glucose, a simple sugar that serves as a primary source of energy for the plant. But photosynthesis is not just about producing food for plants, it's also about oxygen production, a critical element for life on Earth. In fact, every breath we take is a testament to the power of plants. They continuously release oxygen into the atmosphere, replenishing the air we need to survive. And the benefits of photosynthesis extend far beyond just providing oxygen. Plants play a vital role in regulating our climate by absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. So, the next time you admire the beauty of a plant, remember the incredible journey it takes to harness the sun's energy and sustain life on our planet. Indeed, the power of plants and the marvel of photosynthesis are nothing short of extraordinary. Thank you.